So this is where we're up to. We've got a bunch of valid HTML. We've put it through the validator with tags, H1s, block quotes, paragraphs, etc. And I'm linking to a style sheet. My style sheet looks like this. And I'm specifying body styles, H1 styles and paragraph styles, colors and padding, and that's what my page looks like. I would love to put some images into this, so that's what we're going to do now. First thing I need to do is to make sure that in my Pokemon folder, index.html CSS, I have a folder for images as well. You can't just like have your images completely somewhere separate. You can make it so that it does work on your computer right now if you do that, but when you hand it in, I won't see the images. We want them all in this one folder, all nice and neat and tidy. So there's my images folder, and I just so happen to have in my clipboard a couple of images, Pikachu2.jpg and Pokemon logo.jpg. So I want to put these into my page. So it's a single tag. So I'm going to put it right underneath my block quote. There's going to be the Pokemon logo. And the tag for images is img. And for the image, you have to say where the image is coming from. So the src equals, and then we've got to, if you remember, with the CSS one, we had to specify the folder and then the file. And it's going to be exactly the same. So it's the images folder / Pokemon logo.jpg. I think that was correct. Let's see what that looks like. Refresh. It's kind of big, but it worked. Right? We'd like that to be a touch smaller, maybe. Resizing images is a whole mess of worms that we will deal with another time, but we can do one or two things. I'm not going to always recommend this, but right now, at the stage we're at, it's okay, I think, to have an inline style on this particular image. And we're going to say style equals, and then in speech marks, we can specify a CSS style. Style equals width, and I'm going to say 500 pixels. We can do it as a percentage as well, but I'm just going to go with pixels for now. Control S and refresh. That's a bit better. What if we make it, instead of 500 pixels, we make it 100%? How does that look? Refresh. Yeah, that's nice. In fact, it's nicer because it's resizing to fit my page as I want it to. So there you go. That's images. Easy.